with 20 West Legal, and in this video you're going to learn how to set up an LLC for your business. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is choose a name for your company, and you want to make sure that it's not already a name in use. So there are 3 steps that I generally recommend you take. The first is to go to the Secretary of State's website in Massachusetts, Massachusetts Secretary of State Corporations Division, and a link to it below. Just do a quick search to make sure that there's no other similar or exact name that another company is already using. Next, you can go to the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, do a search there at the www.pto.gov, I believe, and again, just ensuring there's no other business or entity with a similar name. Lastly, a quick Google search is super simple, so you might as well just give it a whirl there. So once you've chosen a name for yourself, you are going to file your articles of incorporation again with the Secretary of State. So go back to that website that you were on to check to make sure no one was using your name, and you're just going to complete some basic data entry. I just want to note that in Massachusetts, the name of your company also has to have the tag LC or LLC or limited company, limited liability company. It needs to be identified in the name. So make sure that you utilize that. Also, another hot tip, that your registered agent is a person that can accept service or a summons on your behalf if your company is sued. It must be a physical address. It can't be a P.O. box. So make sure to enter that correctly or your application will get rejected. Okay, so now you're set up with the state. Your LLC is technically set up. But in terms of the liability protection or asset protection, you have none. For this, you need an operating agreement. In Massachusetts, it's not a state requirement, but I'm telling you, get one. It's the core of your business. It's your recipe book, and you have to follow your recipe book, because if you don't, you're going to run into severe trouble. If you get sued by another individual or company, the first thing a court is going to ask for is your operating agreement and also proof that you followed it. If you can't prove this, you're done. You will lose in court. I mean, fresh out of law school student will be able to put you under. No questions asked. So follow it. I can't stress it enough. So you have a name for yourself, you've registered with the state, you have your operating agreement, and you haven't just tossed it in a drawer where you're never going to look at it again. You're going to keep it right by your side. And once you do these 3 steps, you should be pretty much ready to go to open shop. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and you may even want to click subscribe because these videos are awesome, so why wouldn't you want to watch all of them, right? Thanks for watching.